Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. In this video, I will explain how to remove duplicate elements from an array using JavaScript. There are basically four methods. The first one is filter, the second one is using for each loop, the third one is using map function, and the last one is using set global object. We will see examples for the same. For example, I have an array and in that array I have some numbers and string, and you can see there are few elements which are duplicate. So for example, using filter function, I will create one function called remove duplicates. In that function, I will pass an array dot filter, and in filter you will have element as well as index. You need to check array dot index of element is equal to index and return. Let's see, and pass the list as an argument. Yeah, as you can see, the duplicates elements are not there. The PHP is only once, and only elements are there in array which are not duplicate one. So this was using filter function. Let me comment it out. The second one is using for loop. I will create function same name. You can give name whatever you want. Here we can declare one object called x, and array dot for it will iterate all the elements from an array. In argument you will have a callback function, and in callback function you need to check if x of I doesn't exist, then x of I is equal to true, means it's only once, element is exist only once, and you can return object dot key of x. Let's see, I is not defined because we didn't pass I in a function argument. See, now the duplicate elements are not there in an array. This is little bit slower as it will iterate all elements using for each loop. So if you have a large number of elements in array, it will be a little bit slow, but it works fine. Let's see another example using map function. Function remove duplicates, and in that function we will again pass an array as an argument. Let's create one array, empty array, and array dot map will have its element, and here we can use a ternary operator. Condition we need to use it here, a dot includes of x doesn't exist, then it should a dot push into x, otherwise it will return nothing, and return a. Again we will see the results. As you can see, duplicates elements are not there. We can test it We can change the array as well. We can add uh, 5 number again with number only, and yeah, see only once is there the 5 number. So this was using map function. It will be a little bit slower as well. The last one is available in ES6, the set global object. Let's see how you can create the function remove duplicates array. Here, let's call this function. Here, we can simply create an object with new set, and in set we need to pass list and simply return, but you need to use triple dot. What is triple dot? It is available in ES6. It's a spread operator. The spread operator is really nice thing introduced in ES6, and as you can see, it is also returning the same. The elements are not there, repeated elements are not there. Let's add PHP as a repeating element, and it will be only once. As you can see, there are 3 PHP, 4 PHP elements in the array, but in response you will get only one. So if you have a very large element in array, you have a very heavy operations of array, and if you want to remove duplicate elements from an array, then I prefer to use this method. It is very fast compared to filter, map, and for each loop. Do you think any other way to remove elements from an array? If yes, kindly leave comments and let me know if it is useful for you. See you next time. Thank you.